Hi everyone. So today I have a parcel that worth only 28 pesos only. It's only 28 pesos everyone. Entire body parcel. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. I think it is collection. Guys, 28 pesos. This one. Beautiful. Look at that. Sa Shopee ko siya nabili. Look at this, everyone. I love it. I will link it below na lang. And let's try it. Sa hair ko, we'll try. It's good. Link it below na lang, guys. Hi everyone, so today is November 29 and currently I'm still reviewing for my exam on December 2 to 3. And nag-review ako, see? Everyone, see that hindi pa talaga ako tapos and yung na-review ko pa lang na subject sa SHAM, not literally 9 subject yung i-review ko kasi yung one parang wala naman na-discuss about that and kasi PE lang yun. And ang na-review ko pa lang is 4. So, kailangan ko mag-review ng 8 subject and 4 pa lang and hindi siya lahat totally na-review, hindi ko pa alam yung iba. Basta yung naiintindihan ko siya, okay na yun. Naiintindihan ko siya. And I have planned kasi kung paano ako mag-review. So, mag-review ako, yung exam namin is Monday and Tuesday. So, mag-review ako for 4 subject ng total review. Yung review talaga na review is on ng Sunday afternoon kasi morning is I'm going to church. Sunday on the afternoon, I will review 4 subject kasi morning yung aming exam. 7:30 I think. 7:30 to 11:30 I think. But, yeah. And sa next naman na subject for Tuesday, wala na kaming klase niyan. Half day lang kami for exam. Wala kaming klase Monday afternoon. So, yun yung time na mag-review ako. Matutulog muna ako syempre. Pagkagising ko, mag-review ako for 4 subject para naman dun sa Tuesday and wala na akong problem. Yun na yun. And holiday break na pagtapos na mag-cricket time. I'm so excited. I don't know what time are we going but see you there na lang. If mabavlog ko, mabividyohan ko, I don't know but yeah, we'll do it. So now, I'm currently reviewing and see this. Guys, 4 pa ako gumising para mag-review. Kasi hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. Just, okay. Hindi. Yeah, kahapon, nakita niyo naman sa vlog na nag-finidyohan ko na nag-review ko. Hindi na ako nakapag-intro and everything kasi hindi ko alam if i-vlog ko tong review. And this week, hindi ko lang mag-vlog ako but yeah, nakapag-vlog ako for you guys. Wow! Anyway, guys. And medyo mahaba ulit yung hair ko. But hindi na siya saying no. But it's fine kasi haba pa naman yan. And my top is from Nike. Just a gift for me. Yeah, it's fine. At saka, oh my God, guys, hindi ko alam. Kasi yung mga viewer ko, kulang, di ba? May nag-top pa putok na dito. Alam niyo ba yung boga? Boga. Alam niyo yung boga? I will put this. And yung alam ko, pinagbabaw na siya. But, I don't know here sa amin. Tago, kasi wala naman dito. It's a province. Everyone, I'm here at Negros. Napapakita ko pala sa inyo yung Christmas tree namin. And dinisign ko lang super, the mirror. So everyone, this is our whole setup. I put there the small Christmas tree lang and the Happy New Year because wala pa kaming Merry Christmas because mali yung nabili ko and I don't have money na. So yun, this is the very, very demure na star miniature and the flowers and the ball. And if I have money lang, madam, napuno ko sana to ng mga design like that kasi I have in my cart on Shopee but hindi ko check out because guys, wala tayong budget. We don't have money. Wala nga akong pambaon. Yeah, but and we have 3 boxes. I have there 3 boxes. Laman yan is so guys, it's done. So, Christmas, yung Christmas setup namin. Kasi, I have plan na here lang kami mag-picture, mag-put sa mga, if we have handa, if we have money naman, so why not, diba? But, yeah. Yeah guys, and I'm going to, na ako, okay? I will continue reviewing guys. Bye! See you!
Para mais. Lolo, oy ra ni way cellphone.
Kuno be?
Lupit.
Kuno? Ayaw god.
Dami kong dala.
Kuno be?
Doon na.
Kuno be?
Be? Wow, bintipon.
Calm down, baby. Mana mag-imos? Wala magin. Imos dito. So everyone, kaya ganyan siya kagulo dito because that is, laundry ko pa yan. Yung whole basket na yan. And that bag is essence, things, and dyan yun lang nilagay. And dito ko nilagay yung mga sapatos ko natin. Mga tutupiin ko pa yan guys. Yan, laundry din yan. It's a DIY lang yung kabitan niya kasi I don't have yun. Dito, aayusin ko pa yan. Good luck. Hi everyone, I think, so yun, nakita nyo previous video ko na naglilinis ako, which is today, and today is 8:51 in the morning, and today is November 30, and Saturday. So, sinabi ko sa inyo na yung exam namin is Monday to Tuesday, but nag-iba, which is good na naging Thursday and Friday na siya yung exam namin, and I like it because I have more time to review pa, and marami pa akong dapat gagawin here sa house, so mas mabuti siya kasi yun, maganda. So I think that is for today everyone, so that is for our today's vlog, so hope you see you on my next one, and pakabutan.